Our company, Suzhou Pharma Machinery Company, Ltd., supports customers from process analysis, development and production up to qualification of the individual products, as well as modular clean room with our experience and extensive knowledge in the field of clean room technology. We listen carefully to our customers to understand their production processes. Due to close consultation, the best solutions for managing pharmacy clean room can be found. Our ISO clean room are used in various industries worldwide, such as the semiconductor industry, electronics, surface coating, optical industry, microsystems technology, biotechnology, automotive industry, medical technology, precision engineering, research and development. We support our customers with high-quality tailor-made products, flexibility and a good price-performance ratio. Welcome, follow and contact us.